Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance card. First, you'll need to create a Binance account and complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC. This is a crucial step for security and regulatory compliance. Next, confirm that you reside in a country where the Binance card is currently available. The application process itself is designed to be simple and user-friendly, guiding you through each necessary step. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Binance Card section within your Binance account or on their website. You will then be prompted to confirm your delivery address and create a 4-digit PIN for your physical card. After reviewing and agreeing to the terms of use, privacy policy, and cardholder agreement, you can finalize your order. A virtual card is often issued instantly for immediate use. The Binance Card offers several compelling benefits. You can spend your cryptocurrencies at over 60 million merchants globally, wherever Visa is accepted. It features real-time conversion of your crypto holdings into local fiat currency at the point of sale. Plus, you can earn attractive cashback rewards, up to 8% in Binance Coin, on eligible purchases, adding value to your everyday spending. Before using your card, it's important to understand some key details. There are daily spending limits, typically around $5,000 and ATM withdrawal limits, often $315. While there are no annual or initial issuance fees, a replacement card may cost €25. Binance also provides robust security features, including two-factor authentication and real-time transaction alerts, to keep your funds safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.